What's up, Vijay?
How's it going? How's it going?
Hi
What's up,
Shantanu, hi
Krishna?
Good, good.
Krishna.
You guys tell
Big
me, how
fan here.
excited are you?
Thank you, man. Thank you. All I'm very excited. Excited for this session. Excited for the season of Breeze Away with Shuffle. So yeah,
Yeah, I'm super excited to be here. I've seen like hip hop grow so much, and to have like a platform like this is absolutely amazing. And it's an honor to be a part of this too.
Shantanu, I watched when you performed on the what was the show called?
World of
Dance
Dance.
World
World of Dance.
World of
World of
Dance.
Dance.
And you
World
guys,
of Dance,
yeah, you
yeah.
guys won. I remember like me and my brother and
In
stuff.
front of
We were all
J-Lo. Oh my
watching it.
God.
Yeah,
How was that
yeah,
like?
Oh,
yeah. It was
oh,
mad what you
thank you. I
guys
mean,
pulled off as a group.
yeah. I mean, yeah. I mean, every time you get a chance to represent India on an international stage, and it's amazing a feeling, and especially when you're performing in front of such huge artists like J Lo, Derek, and Neo. I mean, it's still sometimes feels like unreal that we have already done that. So yeah, uh, but yeah, about the competition, about the this whole thing. I mean, I feel I'm very excited about the fact that we'll be witnessing, you know, a, a new line of artists, upcoming talented artists, and to watch their journey is going to be something that I'm looking forward to. So yeah,
Sweet.
pretty
And
excited.
Krishna, you're
Yeah, all of us.
one of the earliest rappers to come on the Indian scene. And I
Yes.
remember like listening to "Say My Name." I think I used to like
Okay, yeah,
work
yeah.
out. Yeah, "Say My Name" was one of the tracks I had on my list when I used to work out. So, how much have you
Oh,
seen the
that's it.
scene change since you've come, and what are you looking forward to with? What do you think like the talent and the style of rap, the beats have changed? What are you looking forward to?
I've s- See, I've seen hip hop go from being nothing to being what it is today, where we have platforms like this, and so much is happening. And in the beginning, I was absolutely like no hope for us to like kind of make a living out of this. But today, we are like kind of we are getting reaping the sort of benefits. And but I feel like it's about hip hop is about getting your inner persona out and kind of saying what you really feel. So that's sort of where my focus is, and my team is Team Gamma, by the way. So that's what I'm
Oh,
going to
oh,
be
Gamma.
repping, and that's Team Gamma. What's up? That's what I'm going to be repping, and that's what I'm kind of going to give them as well. I'm going to tell them to just be true to themselves and kind of push this hip hop thing, man. Be real.
Pretty real,
Yeah.
yeah.
So yours is Team Gamma and yours is Team Delta.
Team
Is
Delta,
that?
yeah,
Wow.
yeah.
Go Team Delta.
Thank you, Nishit.
Yes,
So
recording
what
on.
is this the dance team like? What is the dance team comprised of? Like what do you
So the
have in
whole
a
dance
dance
thing
team?
will, yeah. So whole dance thing will be comprised of not just one style or one form. It's gonna have breaking, it's gonna have popping, it's gonna have showcases. So it's mixture. And to elaborate more on that, I mean breaking and popping specifically, they require certain kind of technique.
Yeah,
And skills, though the
training.
all dance forms
Yeah.
require certain kind of skills, but yeah, I mean they require specific. So yeah, I mean, it is what it is. So, but yeah, I mean, getting, as I said, talented bunch of people and helping them, guiding them to become best and fulfill all their potential. That is going to be interesting. Yeah.
Yeah. And
Shantanu
tell
and
me more
Krishna, you
about the
both have
School of
had
Shuffle. Oh,
yes,
sorry.
that.
Go
Sorry,
Super.
on.
sorry, Kritik. Yeah.
That's it. Yeah, School of Shuffle. Let's talk about the School of Shuffle for all those people who don't make it to your teams. Like, how can we guide them and like help them out a bit?
Yeah, so for School of Shuffle is a great opportunity for people who will not be able to make out in terms of the any kind of team, but yeah, otherwise as well. So it's a huge place and opportunity for guidance. So for dancing, we have Tushar Shetty, Himanshu Dalani, and Sambhu
Wow.
Mukherjee, who's going to be taking the lead. And for graffiti, as we just saw, Zeke is going to be in charge of the
Zeke.
graffiti workshops. And yeah, so it's going to be pretty much interesting.
Yeah, and I think we have these mentors and we have like a way and a path for hip hop. I think a couple of years ago we didn't have that, so I think it's like a really great time to be in the art form as well. And we have Stunner Beats and Young Raj who will be mentor. I think who will mentor the music workshops. And I think
Mm.
people can start registering immediately. Workshops start November 19th. So yeah,
Wow.
November 19th is now.
yeah. I think we
Yeah,
should
yeah.
like
Wow.
get to it.
No,
Wow.
after
But
the
it's so
show,
nice
after
because
the
I feel
show.
like because I feel in this time like where we all are like stuck at home, most of us, and there are some who are working from home, but there are some who are like, what do I do? I think learning online is something which is so easy and also so motivating at the same time.
Right,
Like I feel School
right.
of Shuffle, I feel for people
And
who don't make it, you're still something to look forward to, which you can do and learn.
Yeah.
of course,
I
it's
believe there is so much more variety also that a person can learn from the comfort of the home only. So to be able to
Yeah.
learn
Yeah.
from Himanshu Dulani and Sambo, you would have to travel across the country, from both sides of the country, right? And you're doing it in the same day. You can do it, and you can just become so much better because these guys are such different artists and so good at what they do. So they
Yeah.
can become a
Agreed.
multi-dimensional artist so easily just at the comfort of your house.
Very, very excited
yeah,
about this whole thing. And there's so much
and I feel
information
like
that's
the
come out in this one life.
in hip hop, like you can like sort of cross the boundaries of what part of the art you're in as well. Like we've seen a lot of hip hop dancers who can rap, who can, do other stuff, and a lot of rappers that can dance as well. So I think in hip hop, like, it's like such an inclusive sort of community. You can easily like sort of cross through the barriers.
Totally. Totally, totally amazing, amazing. Yeah, how are you all guys excited? But what about any strategies? Any? Y'all are very nice. Both of y'all are very nice. Yeah, like
We
come
are
on,
not,
guys,
we are not.
We're not fighting. We want you to
थोड़ा
fight.
हो जाए.
You-
We
Yeah,
are not the
fight,
ones who are going to
fight,
be like,
fight, fight,
I
fight,
will win or
fight,
I will win.
fight,
I think
fight,
our
fight.
talent and our
We've
team
seen
will
that in the
prove for
previous
us.
one.
Yeah, like that was a different zone altogether.
In previous one, they were body
It's like
shaming.
one
They were
rapper
body
versus a
shaming.
dancer, I think. Yeah.
So they will be busy doing that, and we'll be, busy training our team and, take the
Winning.
2 billion prize money.
Yeah, nice, nice.
Yeah.
Love that,
I
love
think
that, guys.
my strategy is just to like tell my guys to just keep it real and kind of just reflect and project themselves in their art. And I think that's sort of the strategy to win in this game.
Love that,
Yeah.
Shant,
love that.
yeah.
You want me to say my strategy? I don't want it to, but like, yeah, okay.
Oh,
Oh,
Nothing.
he's
Just
बढ़िया
make
pretending
it
नहीं
like he
है.
real.
has
Give you
one.
100%.
He's pretending like he has one.
Good, Krishna, you got me. As I don't know. Just give you 100%. Be honest, as he said. Be real. Be honest to the art, and I mean, it will give you back.
Love that. Amazing.
Nice, I like it.
Our strategy
So
is to let the host take over whenever there's an awkward silence.
the problem is that the awkward silence got too many with the whole thing happening. So yeah, so what to do? Uh, दूरदर्शन आकाशवाणी ने हमको कहा है कि let's move on to the next thing. Yeah, yeah. Before the show, I
That was a
always
good
thought
one.
that I, guys, India is listening. I made Kriti Shannon laugh, guys. Like I can like now die or something like that. Yeah. So, but
No, no, it was
honestly,
actually not you. It was Vijay who made me laugh.
or
You can
rowdier
still
guy,
die
It's a good
though.
time to die
always
all
the
right
rowdier
now
guy,
as well. They should.
always the rowdier guy. But yeah, honestly, I always had a voice in my head. Today I can name him. But so let's go on to the next one. Thank you so much, guys. Shantanu, Krishna, we are waiting to
Yeah.
see what you guys are going to do and mold your team into. Can't wait at all. And thank you so much for being here.
Thank you,
And
thank you.
Yeah.
we'll,
Thank you.
we'll
All the
Thank
catch you
you.
best,
guys on the
guys.
other side of the bridge.
Thank you. Thank you.
See you.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
All right.